What's going on, guys? David here with you, checking in, and today I want to talk a little bit about the stock market. So let's talk a little bit about the stock market. You guys know me. My name's David. I'm the owner of DC Appliance Repair. I run a full-time appliance repair business. With that being said, where do I have time to make more money on the side, or where do I find the time to build another source of income by running the full-time appliance repair business? Well, this is where the stock market comes in. I use a platform called Webull. It allows you to start trading at 4 o'clock in the morning. And so with that being said, I can wake up and get started at 5, get into the market, pre-market, plug in, plug out, make a couple extra $100 before the day gets started, and roll on about the day. So if this is something that you guys may be interested in doing, because I know a lot of you guys here on my channel, you guys have appliance repair businesses, or you looking to get started in it, and hey, this is a good way to build your income, build your savings. You know, I try to build my portfolio at least by $1,000 a month if I can, or more. Just saying, that's my goal. I do small, consistent trades in the morning at pre-market. Now, you know, there's a lot to learn about the stock market, but I just wanted to say that this is what I do. I could teach you guys my strategy. I could teach you how to use the platform. I could teach you how to read charts. I could teach you, you know, all the things that you need to be as successful in the stock market. Now, I'm nowhere where I'd like to be, but I do know how to read the market. I do know how to tune a scanner. I do know how to find stocks that's moving, and I can teach you guys how to do it. If you're interested in this, please leave me a comment and let me know. Hit the thumbs up. That's what helps support my channel. I am in a position to where I'm determining if I want to teach this on this channel and just put it in a playlist, or create a whole nother channel. I want to teach you guys different ways to make money. Well, this is David with DC Appliance Repair. I'll see you guys in the next video.